Good evening, ito yung ating presentation. Itong Internet of Things parking lot prototype. Actually, we have two prototypes and most of the programmings are done via web-based coding. So, ito yung mga web files na PHP and HTML scripts. So, this is only for parking lot 1 kasi hindi ko pa natapos yung parking lot 2. I just made sure na itong parking lot 1 is already working. So, before anything else, let's just explain kung ano yung mga parts ng ating system. We have this Arduino Mega. Tapos, sa taas ng Arduino Mega is basically yung kanyang sensor shield. Sensor shield is used para maging mas matibay yung mga pins. Okay, as you can see, kapag meron kang sensor shield, medyo mas neat tingnan yung ating prototype. Tapos, kahit hilain mo siya, hindi na matatanggal basta-basta yung pins. And then, we have this Ethernet shield in which kinabit natin sa ating router. So, you can use any router, PLDT router, as long as yung router is merong internet. Because we'll be using Internet of Things. So, obviously, kailangan natin ng internet. So, ang gusto kasi natin is yung parking lot natin is incorporated with the internet. Kumbaga, yung mga data nandito sa parking lot will be shown here. By the way, ito yung ating prototype ng display. So, ang technique dito is gumawa tayo ng bond paper, tapos piprintan natin o kaya sticker. So, piprintan natin yun. Let's say, pangalan dito ng parking lot, tapos number 1, number 2, number 3, number 4, number 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Kasi yung prototype ko dito is, meron lang siyang 10 slot. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So, if ever pumasok dito yung jeep or car, tapos nagparking dyan sa slot 2, dapat iilaw din yung ating slot 2. So, dapat meron yan siyang cover, let's say bond paper, and tapos merong printed na numbers and pangalan na ano, tapos o kaya icons o kaya mga kung sakaling eskwela, seal ng school, something like that. Okay. So, it is connected via wires napunta dito. Okay. So, because this is just prototype, itong mga sensor din dito is connected via wires papunta dito. So, ano tong potentiometer, no? So, basically, ang ginamit natin to detect kung mayroong car sa slot is basically light-dependent resistor. So, kung sa light-dependent resistor, nakaka-detect siya kasi pag ganyan, mayroong light dito, tapos pasukan ganyan ng let's say matakpan yung light na galing sa taas. Okay. By the way, sa real application nito, like sa mga parking lot na totoo, meron man yung mga parking lot, meron yan siyang bulb sa taas. Okay. So basically, pag dumaan yung kotse, matatakpan ng bulb, matatakpan yung ilaw ng bulb. So yung sensor mo nasa ilalim. Pag nagpark dyan yung kotse, o kaya usually kotse naman kasi yung motor, you have different parking for motor kasi maliliit lang sila. O kaya mga jeep, no? So, matatakpan yung light, mabablock yung light dito, so madidetect niya yon kung merong car or not. So, what is the purpose of this potentiometer? Potentiometer will control the threshold. When you say threshold, meron kasing times na yung light mo is masyadong maliwanag. Let's say, sa araw ng presentation, nitong prototype is medyo maliwanag yung light na nasa room. So, you can control here. Pwede mong i-adjust, okay? Yung threshold, ima-match mo dun sa ilaw ng kung saan mo ipipresent ito. So, I'll be explaining later kung paano siya gamitin. Let's say, for example, ganito, no? Naka-on yung ilaw ko dito sa video. So, naiilawan ko yan sila lahat. Okay? So, basically, ito yung normal condition niya. So, ito yung madilim, kumbaga. Okay? But, merong times, especially if I turn off this light, okay, turn off ko itong light. So, medyo madilim yan ng konti. So, dapat, i-adjust natin to siya to tell the system na ito yung normal condition. Okay, hindi pa yan siya or wala pang nakapasok. Kung sakaling shadow lang yung shadow ko lang. So because this is just a prototype, no? Sakaling shadow ko lang, dapat hindi niya yun ma-detect as car. So how do you adjust that? By using this one. Okay. So madidetect niya lang kapag na-car, kasi pag natakpan mong ganyan, sobrang dilim yan sa ilalim ng LDR. So para yun siya hindi makakaroon ng false triggering. So, we can adjust the sensitivity of the sensor. All the sensors by having one potentiometer dito. Tapos, ito naman yung buzzer. Okay? So, yung trick kasi natin dito sa parking lot system is that kapag ganito, ang value niyan is yung 1 to 10, parking slot 1 to 10 is 0. 0 means vacant. So, kapag merong pumasok dito sa slot 1, so itong slot 1 will be 1, tapos the rest will be 0. Tapos, pag pumasok na slot 1, beep din ito, tapos isisend niya rin yon sa, tutunog ito siya kapag meron lamang changes. Let's say, pag na-say changes, let's say ganito, all zeros, tapos biglang nagkaroon ng isang 1, that's a changes, isa yan sa mga change, so magsisend yan siya sa internet ng data, tapos tutunog siya saglit ang ating buzzer. So, ang pinakamalaking part dito is not basically the hardware but the software na nasa internet, in which we created our own, nag-set up tayo ng database, ang pangalan niya is parking system prototype.tk, in which we can reserve, kaya pwede tayong mag-ban ng users kapag abusive. It's a good system for parking lot system. Tapos pwede nating ma-detect yung location ng system. So for the second part, I will be testing the device and yung kanyang Internet of Things capability.